Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you an AI powered application for sentiment analysis, and I assure you that it is going to blow your mind. But first of all, let me explain you on what is sentiment analysis. So it is a way in which you can understand the customer feedback. Customer feedback and customer reviews are quite complex and unstructured text, and it requires some special technique to understand it. And sentiment analysis helps us to classify if the sentiment is negative, positive, or neutral. So it is helping us to understand the feedback as well as identify trends and also identify if there are issues in the feedback. Now, let me show you on the power of using AI for sentiment analysis using some sample data. So this data has got the customer name as well as it has got a column called as review text, which has got all this text, and you can see that all this text is completely unstructured text. Now let us use AI to do all the sentiment analysis, and here you can see that AI has intelligently selected the field review text automatically, and it has identified that yes, you should go ahead and do sentiment analysis using this field. So this is already showing you the power of AI. Now let us see some more power by analyzing the sentiment. And remember, this sentiment analysis is done in just few seconds, and you can see that it has analyzed almost about 50 texts in just few seconds, and it has given a result that 58% of the sentiment are positive. And you can also see a nice visual which confirms that how many are positive, how many are neutral, and how many are negative sentiments. Now, AI does also helps us bring confidence, and it does this by giving some examples like what are the reviews which it thought are positive, and you can read them. You can see that incredible quality. You can tell a lot of core went into making this product. In the same way, it also shows some examples of negative reviews, and here it says that horrible experience from start to finish. So this is a very good example of this negative sentiment. So what this AI is doing is it is giving some examples to us. It is showing, hey, this is a positive sentiment and this is a negative sentiment. And once we see this, we are confident that yes, AI is doing a good job because we understand that this is a positive sentiment, this is negative sentiment, and now we are confident that AI has also understood the same. Now you can go one step further. You can also ask AI to generate a textual response of all this analysis till now. And this is going to help us easily understand the complete sentiment analysis inside. So here you can see that it has generated an executive summary. So this is pretty nice. You can see that for a person, it's easy to start with a summary so that you understand the gist of these insights. And so this is very interesting in a very nice way in which the AI is proposing us to have an executive summary. And then it is also giving some bullet points on some key findings. Now it also gives us some examples of what are some positive themes and area of concerns. And this is also very interesting. It also recommends you some actions to take. So as you can see that it is not just doing a sentiment analysis, but it is going one step further. It is also recommending you the actions which you should take in order to improve this sentiment. So it's not just a data insight or data analysis tool, but it is a tool which you can use it as an AI assistant to actually improve the business. Now, if that is not sufficient, let me show you one more thing which will help you see the power of this. And you can download the complete report into a PDF. And voila, here you have your PDF, and you can take this with you in your train, in your car, and read it on your mobile so that you can digest what AI has given to you. So here AI is a pretty useful assistant, and it can help you do the sentiment analysis process, which is a must for any enterprise, any company of any size. And you can see the power of AI to help you understand the customer feedback so that you are efficient in responding to your customer needs and requirements.